Sheboygan County Fair. We're gonna clean our concession trailer, and then I'm gonna show you around the fair. But we're gonna show you the work that has to be done in the concession trailer. Anyway, this is our equipment, and this is our concession trailer that we're going to clean, and then we'll show you guys that soon. It is one of our main events that we usually do every year. It's near our house, so we can just walk home. Yeah, so we don't have to use our camper or a hotel. That works out great. We're gonna be selling cheese and drinks.
What kind of cheese?
We have jalapeno, white cheddar cheese. We have cheddar cheese, mozzarella. Come and join me. We're gonna wash our concession trailer. This is my last mat I have to wash, is it?
You think so?
And then these are gonna get put in the trailer for work.
And what are you gonna do after this?
A very lovely dinner is my reward for doing all this work. Dine in, yes, but my mom won't tell me where until after we're done working, which will be soon. We're gonna show you guys my dinner tonight. The signs are gonna go on top of those. Hi guys, we are at the restaurant, my reward, and it's called Big Billy's, and this is gonna be wine down. I'm gonna have a cheeseburger with fries for dinner.